guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be installing my wig. The first time I installed this wig was, well, I didn't really install it. I literally just cut the lace. You can't see the lace anymore. I cut the lace and then I just put it on top of my wig cap, and that was it. But now I'm gonna show you how I install this. This is a 4x4 wig from AliExpress during the AliExpress sale, 11/11, why pay for more, stuff like that, whatever. I'm also going to be doing my makeup, so it's going to be wig and makeup. This is going to be the first time I posted on YouTube for a long time. The other videos that I made were mainly like in high school when I was doing like what I wish I knew, stuff to learn about in like 11th grade, stuff like that. Those fun ass videos. I was really good at editing then, but I don't think I want to do too much with this one. I usually post on TikTok. My TikTok is not really blowing up, but like it gets traction whenever TikTok lets me have traction. I just wish TikTok would be more consistent, but hopefully you enjoy this video. This wig install is gonna be quick, but the makeup part is the most important part. Okay. Okay, so this hair, I got it from AliExpress. Like I mentioned, it is 28 inches. I think it's water wave. I am not sure. I'm not good at all the curls and stuff. I got this like last week. I got this last week. So yeah, this is 28 inches per 4x4. But honestly, this is a curly wig, so I wasn't really gonna do too much. I didn't really want to get the 13x6 because it's usually gonna stay down like this. It's gonna be middle part. Side part is not gonna be too much, so 4x4 is perfect for me. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Okay, so this wig has like 4 clips, one in the middle, which I love. Usually like wigs that I get don't have that, and I was really excited because I actually like the hole that it has in the top part of my scalp. So it has 1 and then 2 and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Okay. I'm sorry that I looked in the mirror side and not the camera. But anyways, I don't think I want to do the ball cap method. I just want to install the wig and set the wig. Yeah, and then you're going to see my makeup. I'm going to look all fresh and clean for Thanksgiving. So and I know the glue, I'm supposed to let it dry so it gets tacky and all that. Yeah, so for my edges, I'm going to use the nail mousse and also the Cantu mousse for the hair. What else am I going to use? Shine and Jam for the edges as well. Yeah, and also my hair spritz that I made. Where is it? Frick, where is my hair spritz? I'm so unorganized, guys. I'm so sorry. Do you hear that beat? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so I can't find my hair spritz. For some reason. Okay, so for I was gonna use our toothbrush because why buy an edge brush when I have my old toothbrush that I've been using for years? And y'all know that with your toothbrush for your edges is like very nasty. You know it's good. So yeah. And this is my edges. So while I do like the whole fluffy edges, I do want it to like look more, defined, I guess. But I'm gonna add more gel to that. Bring it over to my place. Bring it over to my place. I don't know what you do to me. Period, period, period. Who does it better than me? Nobody. Nobody. Literally, and this is why I do buy wigs, and I don't think I'm ever going back to braids at all, because wigs just do it, and I think I have my perfect rotation now. Okay, so wig installed. I wish I knew you wanted me. Okay, so right now, since the wig is done, you know what time it is. It's time for makeup, my favorite part. So first of all, I'm just gonna be telling you what I'm gonna be using, because yeah, babes, yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean my table from the hair stuff. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna be using, well, not first off, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm using. So I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. setting spray, period, and then the Revolution Matte Fix. That's for like in between and stuff like that. This is my Fenty Beauty sponge. We're gonna be using, I forgot the brand, but you know, it's Target, but it's like the more expensive Target brand. And then I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills for my brows, and also the MAC brow / lip liner pencil. Yes, and then this brush, tiny brush for the brow gel. And then Laura Mercier, the mini, I think this is the translucent setting powder. And then the Fit Me finishing powder, that's for finishing, obviously. And then Fenty Beauty, of course. If you follow my TikTok, you know I'm a Fenty Beauty connoisseur. Fenty Beauty. And then we're gonna use the Maybelline Eraser concealer. And I don't know if we're gonna do lashes yet. Then we have lip gloss. And then for primer, boom, 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 we have the Fenty Beauty primer. This is not showing. Fenty Beauty, whatever. You know, I'm a Fenty Beauty connoisseur. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do lashes yet, but we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, this is a gift, but I've been using it. I don't really use mascara, but since it was a gift, I just use it. This is the Fenty Beauty mascara. So that is all that we're gonna be using. I'm so excited for makeup because makeup is my favorite part of getting ready. I feel like I'm the best makeup artist. Just like I said, I'm the best wig maker. I mean, wig installer. But honestly, I'm not that good. Like 360 wigs, I can't help you. I can't help you. I'm so sorry. But yes, this is everything we're gonna be using, and it's gonna be bomb AF. Watch. Oh, I forgot to show you my fluffy brushes. I got this as a gift. I don't know where. This one also as a gift for Christmas. For my aunt. I got like the brush set. Like I have all this. I got the brush set for my aunt. Boom, boom, boom. So first off, we're gonna do the brows first. Okay, so first part, obviously, we have primer. I already moisturized my face, so also I'm not going outside, so I don't need to wear sunscreen. This is the Fenty Beauty primer, Pro Filter Instant Retouch primer. I don't usually use this much. I don't know. My hands were happy, I guess, maybe it's because of the video. And for the brows, I go with the MAC brow pencil, and then I brush the ending part of all of this. And then we're gonna use the tiny brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the chocolate, but I think I might get a darker brown. Brows are done. We're gonna go with the Fenty Pro Filter foundation with the Fenty sponge. This is literally the best makeup sponge ever, so it's the only one I get. I literally just bought some new ones today from the cyber deal because the makeup I use is literally just Fenty. Fenty is a little bit pricey, but honestly it does the job. It does the job I want it to do, so how can I ever complain? And now I'm gonna put you on to a little trick that I learned from the TikTok girlies, right? This really like sets the foundation. So now the next thing to do is we spray our oil control fixing spray, Revolution. Looks like that. Fuck, you can't see it, whatever. And this helps to set like the makeup, like it doesn't move when you do. Okay, so this is after foundation. We're gonna add our concealer. The spray has dried that I sprayed on my face. My concealer is literally about to finish, and that's why I literally ordered 2, because concealer is a necessity. So yeah, I ordered like 2 similar shades, one that's 144 and then 146. So it's like a little bit darker than this one. I'm definitely gonna get copyrighted for this one. Oh shit. I'm F-R-E-E. What? My favorite part is where I add the setting powder, where I apply the concealer. Okay, guys? I drag that shit all the way. But like I said, don't blend. I'm just puffing it out lightly, round and around to the outskirts of my face. So that place, because I usually forget to get it all around. Also for like oil and like stuff that didn't blend right, you know. But since I am the makeup connoisseur, of course it blended right. Of course it blended right. So like I said, we're using e.l.f. I love this e.l.f. Like it's really good. I do want to try the Charlotte Tilbury, but I don't got money right now. Okay. And then turn on our fan and let that shit just dry. And the reason why I don't use this one after, I use it for in-betweens, because this is mainly for oil control, you know, to make it more misty and stuff. My makeup routine is so simple. It's good for beginners because it's not that high end, but it still gets the work done in the perfect way. Every time I go out with my makeup, people are always saying, oh my god, I love your makeup, because I am good at it. So I love to wear makeup. Okay, so now we're gonna line our lips. This fan is way too much for my eyes. Okay. And it's just like a lip liner pencil that I'm using. I love lining my lips. It's my favorite thing. And then we have the Fenty Beauty Cream Candy Milk. It's very pink. I love it. It's actually candy milk. Like it feels like a butter. Yep. Literally, I love Fenty Beauty so much. Like, Fenty Beauty is what like made me like really into makeup. Honestly, I will say that my first makeup product was Maybelline. What is it called? Maybelline foundation. There we go. That was my first makeup product, and then my second makeup product was the Fenty lip gloss, and then my third was the whole lip liner, and yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna do this again. Just go around, and we're gonna just clean up our area because we are clean individuals. And then we spray the Oil Fix Revolution spray from a very quiet distance. Ooh, that rejuvenates like my whole body. Okay, so this is the final look for the makeup, guys. The hair and makeup is like all done, and I look so delicious. Eat me. Make sure you follow my TikTok to see the videos and cute videos I do. After this, follow my Instagram for if I post a selfie or something. I am private now because I don't know, some stuff were happening on my Instagram, and I was just like, what is going on? Yeah, so like, follow, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment, you know. It's gonna keep on drinking my apple juice.